Satang Kanyatsi, Bakipai Drungit Niam Hindu, Kipachong Basa, Hakanigala, Kinkre, Banlet, Banpendep, Yakalenium, Kalercom, Kabashisin Chisnem, Kata, Kalenium, Durga Puja. Tangba, Hakanisnem, Kabamanta, Kajingwan, Banling Shop, Jonga Klam Kongo, Kata, Covid Kat Kandai, Ne Coronavirus. Kalate Pujapa, Yakanikalenium, Hadin, Bawat Lada, Lasha Ne Islat, Dikibor Sorkar, Banpendep Jinglenium. Henry kanum long kumba kajulong hagis nem kiblalay no. Habayakran Burti 7 u President ka Central Puja Committee u Naba Batachaji ulayato pagni jingleniam kan stang na do ka arkulay trek benda katayo kabajute bika kum kasaptami board pat sa kasngi ka ar kata haka arsautrik ka badai ka astami kasngi ka balay ka arsantrik ka navami pat kasngi ka bakado pat ka bahedo kadai ka arfunretrik kabajute bika kum dashmi ne dushera. Henry Shua jong kini kisngi, shisngi Shua ka arpo artarik, ka judon ka jing pinbit pinbiang ne pinkre pinkrum, krang bakaleniam kalerukom kanyad bet yadrenti. Penban ka jungwan ban sapriang jong ka klam jingpang COVID kat kandai, ka Central Puja Committee, kladep pakan shongi ka jingelang, pat ki bor sorkar, pat ki bor ka bdekmi jong ka district, hakabala depru sundon, nagamta ban wan shakmat ban proidak, yaki kendon jong ka jingpendep, yakani ka leniam ka lerukom ka bashisin chisnem kimat ki bakham kongsan hakani ka kinti jong ka jingleniam ya ka Durga Puja ka long bahakini ki sngi jong ka jingleniam ki kamban puja pukon baro ki dei bakin kot no hapo ka kandai bije janbit ki paiba kinumla ban shang ne ban let ban mani siki wei pat ki jaka lain no tang hala ki jaka badon halagishnong ki dong di ki kintoy jong ka sor Hakaba anum don satya kajing pendiam penbait ya ki jaka ban mani de ban thang ya ki syarak penthaba pen itnat ya kini ki jaka nalokata ka CPC kala pentipru ba menta hi kasnem kanum don satya kajingelang jong boro ki jatnyam ka bajule ne penlong ya ka manusnem kanum don ru kajinglet banjurep daginong yelam niam kejala ya ki jaka mani laweng ru ya ki jing penyekop ya ki puja pandal ke bedon ha kanong ba Kanum don ru kano ke jingsa mik prasaj ki pat ringat parlamana ru bambet ban pelong ya kano ke program jing khawai pat ba hagi jaka mani haga singi ka bakot jong jing leniam ka jing pengam ye ki blai hapo kwa umkra kan long tang na kamta artulai li blai nagi artulai li ki jaka mani ni ki pandal ki bakhampau jong kanong ba dalor kata lamaham ting eru ye ki pat ringet bakimbet Dalilay bakin pengam yala ki blay ki jongki hakinu ki wa ki klam de yo ki jingbet ki batik na nagi bor penya jong CPC ne nagi bor sanchar jong district.
You see this year Durga Puja latip baro down to COVID, this pandemic. Because of that, all over the world amdei tang hangne it has affected everyone and we also do not want that the puja or any religious function should become a cause of spike, and that again is a effect to the humanity as a whole, people of the state. At the same time, the rituals will have to be performed and accordingly we have drawn up keeping the pandemic in view. As you know, the Chief Secretary also together with 3 other members from Shillong All Faith Forum, we were part of the drafting committee for the SOP for the whole state, which has already been issued. That is of course generally was for opening of places of worship. We had kept a provision like for Durga Puja, All Souls Day, Bedding Clam, or for all these Christmas, that the district administration of respective district will take a call. So accordingly, the East Khasi Hills district administration has also come up with an SOP in discussion with us through inputs provided by us, and accordingly it has been notified, including the do's and don'ts. And I had also insisted that it be translated into a local language also, the SOPs. So that has been done. So there is a close coordination between the Central Puja Committee and the district administrations, not only here, in the other districts also, including Garo Hills. So as I said, it will be a very quiet affair, unlike the other years. Like we are only doing the rituals. We are concentrating on performing on the rituals where there will be no compromise. But as far as the other associated celebration per se is concerned, as a festival, that festivity we are discouraging. It is will be almost nil. And through your channel, I would take this opportunity to appeal on behalf of Central Committee to all puja committees and the devotees to take extreme and full care considering the pandemic situation prevailing. And we have all seen that this COVID is a very peculiar and uncertain form of virus. So we cannot take this lightly. So this is our appeal to all. Observe but not celebrate. Observe the rituals, maintain social distancing and all other protocols and SOPs. So on all the 3 days we will have the pujas and the immersion on the last day, on the 26th. We are not having the usual get together of harmony, all faith, all religion, which we have been having for last 25 years. Before the onset of the festival season, we call the religious and faith leaders of different faith and religion and have a get together. That is not there this year. We are not having any entertainment or cultural functions which are associated with Durga Puja. Then we are not having the drum beat competition, both in the general category and the indigenous category. We are not having the harmony visit which we organize for people from the indigenous community to go and see few of the pandals. There will be no shops, cafeterias, etc. within the premises of the puja pandals. There will be no community feast. Of course, prasad, which is essential, will be served and the devotees can carry in a packed form and take at home or in other places, but not inside the pandal, as a safeguard against COVID again. We are discouraging, although you see elderly people are more prone to spirituality. As we grow in age, we start going to our churches, to the mandirs, to the masjid. But we are discouraging the asymptomatic with corbidities and then elderly below 65 years. So if they can do from home or just visit once. So these are all the precautions being taken. As far as the immersion is concerned, we have specifically requested the Deputy Commissioner also to support and assist us. And she has been very cooperative that a notification should be issued that there should not be any immersion in any water bodies in the state, in the district, except the designated site at Polo, which is where it has been going on for years. We have done the cleaning operation, which we do every year before and after the pujas. And this year it will be like last year, immediately after immersion, within a few hours, the idols will be lifted. But again, this year, the idols are very less. Out of 61 odd puja committees, only 23 odd puja committees are doing with idols. Others are doing, which is known as Ghat puja. That means it's a symbolic. Like I told you, like the Knyaz in Natyang, where we have the symbolic structure of the idol. So there is no question of immersion. And in the immersion, we are allowing only 15 persons to accompany each committee for immersion. There will not be any onlookers like other years. There will be no people as witness. Entire area will be kept left vacant. And we are giving about 15 minutes of time, 5 to 15 minutes of time. Those who are doing the without immersion, some of the puja materials which will be brought, that also we are not allowing to immerse in the water. We are making a separate enclosure where all the leaves, flowers and all will be put. So for them about 5 minutes and for others 15. So on an average 5 to 15 minutes per committee. So that way we plan to start at 10 o'clock and we hope to close by 3 in the afternoon. And through your esteemed channel, I would solicit the support, the cooperation of all communities, irrespective of caste, creed, or religion, which we have witnessed, and particularly the indigenous community has always supported us in all the celebration of the puja communities, and this year also we expect and we are confident and sure that they will also cooperate and support us in a successful conclusion of this low-key, simple, ritualistic observance of the Durga Puja.